Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make miso soup from scratch. First, you'll need kombu and bonito flakes. Begin by steeping a 4-inch piece of kombu in 4 cups of water for about 30 minutes. This gentle soak extracts its umami. Next, slowly bring the water to a simmer, but do not boil. Just before it boils, remove the kombu to prevent bitterness. Now, let's finish our dashi. Once the kombu is removed, add about 10 grams of bonito flakes to the hot water. Let them steep for just 30 seconds, then immediately turn off the heat. This quick steep ensures a delicate flavor. Carefully strain the dashi through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. You now have a clear, flavorful dashi broth, the heart of your miso soup. With your dashi ready, it's time for the star, miso paste. Take about 2 tablespoons of your preferred miso and dissolve it in a small ladle of warm dashi. This prevents clumps and ensures even distribution. Gently stir this mixture back into the main dashi pot. Remember, never boil the soup once the miso is added, as high heat can destroy its delicate flavor and beneficial probiotics. Your homemade miso soup is almost ready. Now, you can add your favorite ingredients, like small cubes of silken tofu and thinly sliced green scallions. Gently heat the soup until everything is warmed through, but again, avoid boiling. Serve immediately in small bowls. For more great kitchen tips and deals, including a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, comforting miso soup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.